Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix add friend not showing on the Facebook. So whenever you want to send friend request to someone on the Facebook and you will see follow option, or sometime you will not find any button here, so this is not a problem. Basically this is the feature by the Facebook give follow option on the celebrities account, or sometimes people use the privacy on their profiles. Like these type of people send them friend request like friend of friend no one, and this type of feature people will select on their privacy. So if you are facing this, you just can follow this. You can't fix this type of the issue. The only way is that if user of that profile give you access to add you as a friend, so this is the only way you can send them friend request. Other way you just follow them. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.